Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce you to the ESP2V3 Kit. So let's see what all the components we will get in this kit. So we will get one full size breadboard, 10 male to male jumper wires, 10 hookup wires, one 9-volt battery, one battery snapper. Then we will get a pack of LEDs where you will get 4 green LEDs, 4 red LEDs and 4 yellow LEDs. One 5-volt buzzer, one DC toy motor, one fan, one 7-segment display, 5 4-pin push buttons, a pack of 5 DC 547 transistors, one condenser mic, one LDR, one IR transmitter and receiver pair, one 10K thermistor, one TSOP 1738, one IR remote, one digital multimeter. Then we will get a pack of ICs where we will get one 555 timer IC, one CD4017 counter IC and one 4026 BCD to 7-segment decoder IC. Then one 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, iron 4148 diode, then we will get a pack of capacitors where we will get 2 470 microfarad capacitor and 5 10 microfarad capacitor. Then you will get a pack of resistors where you will get 300 kilo ohm resistor, 4 47 kilo ohm resistor, 2 27K resistor, 3 10 kilo ohm resistor, 5 1 kilo ohm resistor and 5 470 ohm resistor. So these are the components you will get in the ESP2V3 kit. Thank you.